Hey guys, so this whole week we're going to focus on finding the discount of an item. So to find a discount, what we want to do is multiply the regular price times the percent off, and this will give us the discount price. And then to find the final price, we're going to take that regular price again, minus the discount price that we just found, and that'll give us our final price. So I'm going to show you guys a little example. So the regular price of a DVD is $15. It is on sale for 20% off. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take $15, because that's the regular price, and I'm going to multiply by 20% off. Then I'm going to type that into my calculator, make sure I don't forget that percent sign, and I find out that that equals $3. Then I'm going to take that $15 again, because that's the regular price, and I'm going to subtract that $3 from it, because that's how much would be off the regular price because it's discounted. So 15 minus $3, I get $12, and that's the final price. That would be my answer. So for number one, the item is sunglasses. The regular price is $150, and it's 20% off. So your first step, you're going to want to take 150 times 20%. That'll give you your discount price. And then you're going to take that regular price again and subtract that discount price to get your final price. So as always, you guys, if you have any questions, please let me know, but we'll be focusing on this the whole week. So we'll get it by the end of the week.